Many parents are feeling relief tonight now that children as young as 6 months old can get vaccinated against COVID-19. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee. This morning, parents lined up at Rady Children's Hospital to get their kids those first doses. That's where CBS 8's Heather Hope is live tonight with what parents and a doctor are saying about the vaccine rollout and herd immunity we've heard so much about the past couple years. Heather?
Yes, and this is getting us just one more step closer. And parents we talked to today were so excited to finally get their smallest children vaccinated. They said they had their teenagers and everyone else in their household got their shot except for this last group. So as much excitement as people lined up out here today in order to get it with the two options of Pfizer and Moderna.
All right, we're going to go so quick. 1, 2, 3.
It's finally here. We're excited to get him protected.
There was much excitement and relief for parents who brought their little ones to Rady Children's Hospital, eager for them to finally be vaccinated against COVID-19.
We were all modifying our activity because of this one last child that is just getting vaccinated now.
With children as young as 6 months to 5 years old able to get the vaccine, 20 million kids across the U.S. are now eligible to receive the shots.
We have plenty of supply. California has 2.4 million children under the age of 5, and we've pre-ordered almost 1 million vaccines.
Dr. Rohan, the deputy director for the California Department of Public Health, says getting the smallest children vaccinated finally starts to complete the picture and brings us closer to herd immunity.
It's a whole family responsibility, and it's one we have to keep up to date. It's not a one and done, and it will move us closer to building that ongoing immunity wall in California.
It was an emotional day for 2-year-old Milo and his mother. Milo got the Moderna vaccine in his right leg.
Little pinch, 1, 2, 3.
Milo was born in the NICU and with asthma, so his mother is relieved he finally received his first dose.
Really worried, really scared, and so to get this protection just means everything to our family, to his health and his safety.
The vaccines for the small children are given in much smaller doses. Moderna is 2 shots given about 4 weeks apart. Pfizer is 3 shots. The first 2 doses are 3 weeks apart and the final shot 2 months later.
So the differences are very minimal. I say get the first one that's offered and available to you.
About 500 of those little children received the vaccine here today at Rady's. For those wanting to get that for their small kids, you can go to our website, cbs8.com. We have where you can make an appointment, and there's a number that you can call. Marcella?
Heather, any reported side effects or issues with the vaccine given to the little ones today?
No big issues or hiccups other than some children experiencing soreness in their arms and in their legs, fatigue and low-grade fever, but the doctor I talked to today said that pain far doesn't compare to the gain that they get with all the antibodies, and they said this is just like insurance, peace of mind for parents.
All right, a big day for parents wanting to get their little ones vaccinated. Thanks so much for that report, Heather.